Today we are going to talk about how to read and understand your VA rating decision. So you received your VA rating decision, now what? Your rating decision is without question one of the most important documents in the claims process. On average, the time between filing for VA disability benefits and receiving a decision letter can take between 3 months and 1 year. Timing depends on the type of claim that was filed, the number of disabilities or injuries that was claimed, and their complexities. It also depends on the length of time it takes the VA to collect the evidence needed to make a decision on the claim. Just remember that when you are dealing with the VA, it is a marathon and not a race. Once you receive your rating decision, it is important that you know how to read and understand your decision letter. There are 4 main things you should know when reviewing your decision letter. The differences between the cover letter, also known as the narrative, and the decision letter, which is the actual rating decision, the 4 different sections of the rating decision, the importance of the date on the rating decision. What does deferred mean? There is a difference between the cover letter, also known as the narrative, and the decision letter, also known as rating decision. The narrative is the cover letter, which is an explanation of the determination on benefit entitlement. It makes it easier for the veteran to understand which conditions they will receive benefits for and the corresponding ratings assigned. The rating decision is the document that goes into detail about the formal determination made by the VA. The rating decision states what the decision is, how the VA made that decision, and provides an explanation of the decision for each claimed disability. The 4 different sections of the rating decision consist of the introduction, decision, evidence, and the reason why the VA made the decision they did. The introduction section consists of identifying who the veteran is, listing the veteran's qualifying periods of service, listing any special considerations relevant to the claim, such as being a former prisoner of war. The decision section consists of listing the disabilities that are part of that specific claim. It will also state if the disability is service-connected, if the disability is increased or decreased in the individual rating, if there is a special monthly compensation that is awarded or denied, and it will list any deferred disabilities. The evidence section consists of listing all of the evidence that VA considered in arriving at their decision. This may include, but is not limited to, service treatment records, military personnel records, and treatment records, both private and VA, buddy letters, doctor letters, and any images. The reason for decision section consists of the VA explaining in detail why they made the decision they did and how the relevant facts were evaluated in making that decision for each of the disabilities claimed by the veteran. So why is the date of the decision letter so important? The date on the decision letter is extremely important when it comes to appealing the decision. A veteran only has 1 year from the date on the decision letter to file an appeal. There are a couple of different types of appeals that can be filed. Okay, so what does deferred mean? When an issue has been deferred in a rating decision, it means the issue needs further development in order for the VA to reach a decision. The VA will then take whatever steps are necessary to continue developing the claim or request any additional information needed from the veteran. Many times it is an opportunity for the veteran to submit additional evidence to support their claim. Remember, having a deferred issue is neither good or bad. It only means more information is needed. Your rating decision is the key to obtaining the disability benefits you are seeking, and understanding your rating decision will help you navigate the process easier. Receiving a rating decision is a good thing. It means your claims are progressing through the VA system. Whether you receive a favorable decision or a decision you want to appeal, when it comes to the VA, any movement is movement in a positive direction. If you are wanting to appeal the VA rating decision, please fill out our free consultation request form on our website. Our link is in the description below.